I thought I might try today to express as well as I can my experience of samadhi, to try and put this into words as well as I can. I understand that most people don't experience samadhi, even people that have been meditating for 40 or 50 years of their whole life don't experience this experience of samadhi, this complete freedom from the dream, from thought, from the sense of self, from the world, from all of it. I understand that it's fairly rare. So I'm going to try and explain it as best I can to take